Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts on your Adobe Express account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can start working on any of your projects. Now, within any of your project, if you wish to add a font that you would like to use, then first of all, go into the text edit menu and choose any template that you would like to work on, or you can also click on add your text. Now, once you are inside your text edit menu, you will see the various fonts that are available within the fonts drop down menu. You can click on more fonts if you wish to view all of the fonts that are available, and if the font that you wish to use is not available within this category, then you can also upload your font by clicking on the upload button. Once you click on it, you will see the upload window where you can simply drag and drop your desired font. However, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan in order to add or upload your own fonts. So make sure that you are upgraded to a premium plan, and once you are a premium customer, you will be able to simply drag and drop your font that you wish to add and then click on the add button, and then you can use your font within the font drop down menu. And there you have it. That is how you can upload your own fonts on the Adobe Express application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.